We have been diving into the exciting world of AI and already explored how to create several amazing products. And guess what? You guys loved those videos. That's why we are super thrilled to bring you a special video dedicated to one of the hottest selling items out there. T-shirts.
Did you know that a single t-shirt design can rake over $51,534? That's right. Now here is the catch. Until recently, designer killer t-shirt required serious technical skill and artistic talent. But hold on tight because things have changed. Thanks to some groundbreaking developments in the AI space, it's now easier than ever to generate a jaw-dropping t-shirt design.
Today we're going to take you on a thrilling journey through the entire process, from crafting a brand new design to getting it ready for printing and sale. And the best part, it's all incredibly easy.
So, how does it work? We'll kick things off by using the handsome Midjourney AI to create stunning t-shirt designing. Then we'll introduce you to a free AI tool that will take your design to the next level by enhancing the image and removing the background if needed. This way we'll have a design ready to be printed on a t-shirt.
Now here is where it gets even more exciting. There's a wide array of t-shirt design styles we can explore, and we'll walk you through a variety of options. We'll also show you how to prepare these designs so they are all set for printing.
But that's not all. To access Midjourney AI and start generating those amazing images, all you need is a free account on Discord and a subscription fee of £10 a month, giving you a full access and full commercial rights to sell your images.
To access the Midjourney server, head over to their website and click on Join the Beta. This will connect you to the Discord server where all the Midjourney magic happens. And here is an handy tip for your organization enthusiasts. On the left side of Discord, just click the plus button labeled Add a Server. Give it a cool name like Midjourney Designs, hit Create, and voila! In the main Midjourney server, find the Midjourney bot, click Add to Server and add it to the server you just created. This way, you'll be able to use the Midjourney bot without being overwhelmed by everyone else's images. Get ready for an amazing adventure into the world of AI-generated t-shirt design. Let's create something extraordinary together.
We have got a secret to share. Graphic t-shirts are selling like crazy. And you know what's even more exciting? You can come up with your own handsome design that will have people lining up to buy them. But how do you find inspiration? Well, here is a cool tip. Take a look at what's already working on the market.
You've probably seen those gorgeous watercolor designs all over Etsy and in trendy shops. They are a hit, especially when they feature plants and flowers. Just imagine wearing a t-shirt adorned with a bunch of whimsical watercolor plants or flowers. It's a design that's driving customers wild. This one seller design brings in a whopping $1,600 per month, making a total of around $26,000. That's some serious cash.
But wait, there is more. Check out this simple yet captivating watercolor flower design. Estimates that it rakes in approximately $3,800 per month, with a total sale value of a stunning $85,000. Now these are just a couple of examples of a highly successful listing, but even if your design isn't a mega bestseller, it can still add up to a lot of money. Take this tiger-inspired design for instance. It brings around $800 per month, proving that even a niche design can bring in some serious earning.
Here is the exciting part. To hit a monthly revenue of $10,000, you only need 20 designs that sells at $25 20 times each. That's totally achievable. So don't get discouraged if you're starting with fewer reviews or a smaller followers base. Every sale counts, and collectively they can contribute to a substantial income. The possibilities are endless, my friends.
Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty of creating your own amazing design. We are going to dive into Midjourney, where the magic happens. But before we get started, let me share some best setting for you. It's super easy. Just type setting and hit enter. Make sure you have selected Midjourney version 5. When you are ready to unleash your creativity and create actual design, go for the high quality setting. But while you're still exploring and getting the hang of it, the base quality is perfectly fine. And here is a fun fact: stylization adds the extra flair to your design. For now, let's keep it at medium, but feel free to experiment with a different style to find your unique artistic touch. I'll even show you some example on screens, so you can get a sneak peek of what each stylization does using the same prompt.
Get ready to embark on an exciting journey of AI-generated t-shirt designs. Let your imagination run wild with plants, flowers, and even animals-inspired creations. It's time to make your mark in the t-shirt world and turn your designs into a profitable venture. Remember, creativity knows no bounds, and success is just a few clicks away. So, let's get started and bring those incredible designs to life.
Now, let's dive into the fun part: creating stunning design. To bring your vision to life, simply type image and hit enter until you see the prompt box pop up. Here is a pro tip: add a descriptive phrase like simple sunflower in the style of watercolor after the prompt to get more accurate result. It is amazing how a few words can unlock your imagination.
We went ahead and generated a variety of plant-based and animal images using similar prompts. By tweaking the words, you can achieve different results while staying true to your desired style. Remember to include specific instructions like on a white background for easy background removal later. And if you're working on a vertical design, try adding --AR 9x16 to the prompt to make it more suitable for your printing.
But hold on, we are not limited to just watercolor design. There are endless possibilities to explore. For instance, if you are into minimalistic, try adding in the style of a single line drawing to your prompt. This style is incredibly trendy now, and guess what? You can use the Upscale button and then the Reroll button to generate even more variation in the same style. Imagine the possibilities of creating a collection with consistent yet unique elements.
Now get ready for a game changer, introducing the Describe feature. Brace yourself for an easier way to design extraordinary t-shirts. Simply type -describe and upload an image to the chat. The Midjourney bot will work its magic and provide you with prompts inspired by your image. It's like unlocking a treasure trove of creativity. Experiment with different images and prompts to discover endless design possibilities.
Remember, creating exceptional design takes a bit of trial and error. The results may vary, but don't get discouraged. Tweak, reroll, and fine-tune until you find the perfect combination. Your creativity knows no bounds.
But wait, we're not done yet. While we have a collection of amazing designs, they might need some polishing before they're ready to hit the market. If we were to upload them to Printify as they are, they may not meet the quality standards that the customer expects. But fear not, we have a solution: upscaling.
Now it's time to take our design to the next level and get them ready for printing. We want them to look their best and ensure that even the tiniest detail shine through. To do this, we'll use an amazing website that offers free image upscaling. It's like giving your design a power up. Just drag and drop your image onto the site, select the 4x upscaling, and watch the magic happen. In just a couple of minutes, your design will be transformed into a high-resolution masterpiece.
To make our design stand out even more, we need to remove any distracting backgrounds. Don't worry, it's a piece of cake. There are several free websites that can help with this. One of my personal favorite is remove.pg. It's easy to use and produces great results. Although it may not always be perfect, you'll be amazed at how well it works. Just imagine your design perfectly cut out from the background, ready to make a bold statement on your t-shirt.
But what about designs with intricate lines of blended colors? Here no. We have a solution. We will use an image to vector converter, which transforms your design into a crisp and clean vector file. If you are familiar with Adobe Illustrator, simply drag your image into the software and let the image trace feature work its magic. For the flower design, try the sketched art preset to create a stunning cutout. As for the wolf, the 16 colors setting will transform it into a sleek vector image. It's like turning your design into a superhero version, bold, precise, and ready to save the day.
With our upscaled and background removed design, we are now ready to bring them to life on our t-shirt. Can you feel the excitement building? We are getting closer to creating something truly remarkable and eye-catching. Get ready to impress everyone with your unique and professionally polished design.
Now comes the exciting part. Seeing your effort come to life and witnessing the amazing results. You have worked hard to create your design, and it's time to bring them to the world. Let's explore how to make your t-shirt business a success.
First, you have two options to proceed. You can either upload your design files directly to Printify and start creating fantastic t-shirts right away, or you can take it up a notch by using a free design program like Canva. With Canva, you can add text, experiment with different elements, and let your creativity shine. Then, once you place your design on a mockup, it will come to life with vibrant colors and a professional touch.
With Printify, you have access to a wide range of high-quality product and printing options. Choose the best mockups that showcase your design beautifully and make them irresistible to potential customers.
Once your mockups are ready, it's time to list your product for sale on Etsy. But remember, optimizing your listing with effective SEO is crucial. Craft compelling titles, description, and tags that accurately describe your design and resonate with your target audience. This will increase the visibility of your listing and attract more potential buyers.
Now it's time to let Etsy algorithm do its magic. While waiting for those first sales, stay focused and persistent. Building a successful t-shirt business takes time and effort. It might take several attempts and numerous designs to find those 25 winning designs, but keep pushing forward. Each design you create brings you one step closer to achieving your goal.
We are also excited to share that we are adding similar AI-generated graphics to our own challenge series and growing our store. By subscribing and following along, you can witness the long-term results and gain inspiration for your own t-shirt business journey. Wishing you loads of success, creativity, and happy customer. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Until next time.